Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Suzuki GSX-R600. This bike has got just under 1,800 miles on it and is in mint condition. Let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up. This bike is actually all stock, so just waiting to be customized. Tires are in excellent shape. Tank, no dents, no scratches, no rock chips. Seats, no rips, no tears. Just a nice, clean 600. And with such low miles on it, the tires are in excellent shape still as well. It's just a good looking, sharp 600. Alright, show you those miles now. I'm sorry, I misspoke. It's just under 1,600. I thought it was 1,800, but it's 1,600. 1581 is what's on it. I'm going to set the camera down so we can start it. This GSX-R will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.